Y'all remember those 52 eggs we had in the incubator? How many hatched? Let's go. So y'all remember about a week or two ago, we were hatching, was it 52 eggs? Mm-hmm. Well, they hatched.
Like
and
32 hatched.
32 hatched.
And how many, a few of them didn't make it, but.
A few of them didn't make it, which is normal. Mm-hmm. Then you gave, what, about 8, 9, 10 away to a friend. And so how many is in there now?
1, 2, 3. I think it's 12. 12.
And it's Sebrights and Silkies and mixes and all kinds of stuff. Show them the Sebright. Sebright's a little bantam chicken. It's probably my favorite bantam chicken. They come in gold and silver. These are going to be silver. Just really, really pretty, beautiful. We got one cool one that we call the chick with a human on its back. And let us show you why. It looks like it's got a little person right here on its back. Grab a Silkie.
It's a big one.
It is a big Silkie. Whoa there, partner. Cool things about Silkies is they have like purple, bluish skin. You can see on their feet.
And on their beak.
And on their beak. And they have an extra toe that other chickens don't have. Also, you hatched out the goslings. Mm-hmm. We 3 hatched out when last week. And they were Pringles. Then we hatched out 3 more. That was the 6 we had. Here they are. This one is almost solid white.
I think it's a Sebastopol mix. Hey, Daddy, what are you doing? Is that white?
And there's 2 more under there, under the little heater.
Wow. There's one, and here's the last one. The last one looks like Pringles.
It does look a lot like Pringles.
That one I think Sebastopol, and that one I think Sebastopol Chinese, and that one's Chinese.
Cool. Then, these little Silkies just hatched within the last day or so. Well, I guess within the last 24 hours.
Mm-hmm. This one hatched today, and that one hatched today. And then this one's gonna hatch soon.
That one's hatching soon. Ooh, pull it up, let's see it. Cool beans. And you can see the one that's really tired, really weak looking. That one just hatched.
Yeah, that's the latest one that hatched.
And this one wasn't that far from hatching.
Yeah.
So how many Silkies are in here?
I think 6.
6. As y'all can see, these suckers are pretty good and feathered out. We got the new little Silkies coming on. And so we're going to move these down to the little chick brooder we got in the barn. Then we're going to take the Silkies out of the incubator and put them in here. What about the little goslings? How much longer are they going to stay in here?
I think that we can start taking them outside when it's warm.
Uh-huh.
With Pringles and let them kind of barn with them.
Okay.
And then we'll bring them in here for the night, and then we'll start letting them sleep in the barn.
Gotcha.
Let's start loading them up.
Start loading up. Got it.
We got a little breathing hole.
Yeah, we're just going to the barn. We won't take 10 seconds to get down there. All right, let's roll.
These Sebrights are so pretty. The little wing feathers are funky looking.
They're so beautiful.
That's her nest-like contraption. Daddy, can you like put this on the highest level?
Yeah, you got to get out of it. I mean, you both can't fit in that thing.
No, you don't get out. What are you doing?
The best investments we've made. These little heaters. There's several different brands. This one's made by Pride, but they're so much nicer and safer than a heat light like this. We've had a super broody hen, and Mary Carl put a little chick, gave her a little chick, and She is being mama there now. She is so happy to have that chick, and she don't want you messing with her at all. Where's your baby? Can we see your baby? Oh, okay. Okay, we won't mess with it. It didn't take Pringles long to outgrow the house and outgrow that swimming pool brooder. I mean, he or she got big super fast. Pringles!
Getting feathers.
Pringles is getting feathers?
Pringles, you're starting to sound like a goose rather than a chick.
To me, geese have one of the strongest motherly instincts of any poultry I've ever seen. I mean, it's right up there with a Silkie. You can see, we don't know if Pringles is a male or female, but Pringles has taken these new goslings under as if they're babies. All right, we gotta get some feed for the new little Silkies and get them moved to the brooder, right?
Yep.
To the brooder we just took these 12 chicks out of. Mama got us fixed up.
I got you fixed up, but that feeder needs to be dumped out.
Okay.
I'm putting that feed in and the water's behind you on the first trip.
Okay. They little bitty things.
He's been there overnight. Baby. Let me sit there for a moment. Good.
Drinking it, isn't it?
They teach each other.
That's super important when you get new chicks. You want to introduce them to the water. It's first, especially the water. Water is super important. Feed is important too, don't get me wrong. But the main thing is be sure they know where that water is. After they figure out where the water is, then you can, show them the feed. But dip their beak as soon as you can in that water. Is that all of them that's going in here for now?
Yeah, there's others.
Are not ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So while it's a super warm day, we're going to take these 3 little goslings here and I'm going to put them down there with Pringles and company.
And then we'll bring them back.
And then we'll bring them back later on today. Can you carry all 3 of them?
You think you can carry 2?
Yeah, I'll carry 2.
I bet I can carry 2.
Peachy! Get them, girl. Hey, Pringles! Pringles, we got you some new babies.
I'll lower it by 1 little change.
Uh-oh. And we'll come back later and come get them. Put them back in that brooder in the house.
Probably get them about 5 o'clock.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check on the bees real quick that we just caught. That right there is the swarm we just caught, and pretty good bit of activity going in and out of it, so I'm stoked.